Now moving to the dashboard, simple, clean, straight to the point. The main homepage tells us about the number of servers and the application deployed within this account. Deploying a new server is very easy. Just go to the deploy a new server page. Select the cloud provider, its location, required specification from the drop down menu and click the create server. It will take you to the PayPal payment gateway where after making successful payment your server will be deployed here on your dashboard with your optimized stack automatically in no time. Going to the manage server page, you can see all the servers details deployed within this account including location, status, specification, etc. And we have built-in tool for server monitoring and checkup. By clicking live statistics, you can check the comprehensive and detailed real-time stats for your server, including in and outbound traffic, in use CPU and RAM resources, etc. As you can see. Moving back, we have written a detailed article to guide you through the setup of your domain name with the name Serverrom servers. Now moving to the applications part, here you can create a new application by selecting the server available within your account, entering name, domain name, email, selecting through a big list of PHP versions. Once you click add application, your application is set up on the selected server and the DNS records are also created automatically for the services. On the manage applications page, you see already set up applications or website. For demo, we have already set up two different applications. One, the generic one without anything, and the second raw WordPress setup using our fantastic one-click installer. In order to prove the claim of speed and efficiency, we have used Google PageSpeed tool to check the speed of our WordPress in comparison with one setup on the Amazon Web Services. As you can see, this one is deployed and set up using our one-click installer, and its PageSpeed score is 100 out of 100 for both the mobile and the desktop versions. As you can see, you can check for yourself by going onto the PageSpeed tool of Google and entering this domain name. Whereas the other one, this is the raw installation on AWS, and here's its web PageSpeed score. It's 69 out of 100. Our WordPress website scored 100 out of 100 on PageSpeed, whereas this one scored 69 out of 100, a huge difference of 31%. Moreover, Serverrom has built-in tools to create FTP accounts, databases, email accounts within the dashboard. Giving you the overview of FTP accounts, just go to the create FTP page and that's it. This will create an FTP account on the selected application, and you can transfer your files by using the tools like FileZilla. List FTP page will list all the FTP accounts associated with an application. For example, same goes for the databases. And to issue SSL, just go to the issue SSL page and without any cost, simply click issue SSL through our platform, and this will secure your application, putting this green padlock as you can see on your websites and the applications. Plus it can save you $120 for every 10 applications deployed on each Serverrom servers, where others could cost you hundreds of dollars for the same level of security on the applications. And this has also proven to improve your Google rankings for your applications. So what are you waiting for? Just go and sign up for the beta waiting list on our website serverrom.com and let us supercharge your future web applications. Thank you so much.